Students, this is Neha Singh and I'm here to tell you one of the most important topics of science that we are going to learn today with the help of an activity. And the activity is to check the presence of fats in our food items. Yes, but what fats are? Fats are the energy giving foods and these can be obtained from animal sources as well as plant sources. But today in our activity, we are going to learn which plant sources are having the fats in it. So let's get started. For this activity, we need some of the food items. First one, that is oil, that is going to be checked what will be its effect. We are taking it as a reference. Some groundnuts, some peanuts, and a slice of a potato. Along with that, we need a crusher that is going to be crushed and few papers. Okay, so firstly, let's check the effect of the oil that is having a fat in it on the piece of a paper. For that, take few drops of the oil. You can take any of the oil and try to put it on the paper and wait for the 2 minutes. Let it dry. We are taking it as a reference. Now you can see that where we apply the oil, the paper become translucent from that area. Can you see it? So you can see the paper is becoming the translucent where we have put the oil in it. Now let's start our activity. For that, firstly need a paper. Take one paper and one food item. Let's take the peanut and fold it into a paper properly. Keep it properly and now crush it with a crusher. Make sure the paper would not torn in between. Repeat the same steps for all of the other food components. We have crushed all the 3 foods in a paper. Now we are going to check their translucent efficiency of the paper, right? So put all the crushed material back into the place and then we are going to check it. Now, if we pass a light through it, we can easily observe where the crushed particles were there of peanuts. The paper becomes translucent from there by observing these oily patches. The same thing happened with the groundnut. The oily patches has observed on the paper where the groundnut has been crushed. And the third, not the oily patches but a water-like substance is observed on the paper which is not the properly translucent as of these. So from this activity we can conclude that some of the food items contains fats in it. You can observe with the other food items as well by taking rice grains, gram seeds and check whether they are having the fats present in it or not. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope you'll try it.